Hey, Jamaican TikTok, what's this song called? A rock of my bed, turn the other way. F me in a care. What is that song name? I can't find it. Bumbleclad.
The first comment in the comment section said, the song name, come on for this. Jamaicans, we are not real people. Jamaica is not a real place, and that's the kind of video we have tonight. But we just decided to start it off with the young lady there. Anyways, when the video done, remember say me fi do big up. Alright then, so tonight we are big up a virgin from St. Kitts and the Nevis, me think. One. Yeah man, one in name. Big up Miss Hall. And also big up Jennifer Julian. Yeah man, thanks for the support. A big thank you to the 30,000 persons who've subscribed to the channel. I appreciate all of you. Let's jump right into Jamaicans. We ain't real, but we ain't fake.
Don't run for me. I thought you. I'm saying this time I shot.
Don't run with the man. Because if you touch him man again, when you sing and do, it boss reflects wicked in a man. The whole time I'm bright. Every community have a look at man like this where everybody takes it pan. Boy, oh boy, is a weird, but don't play with the man. This a rum header now. So the song that was playing was Valiant Lumba Lumba Yeah. You know the song that she want the Lumba Lumba Yeah and look at Rasta dance. Boy, Rasta a real rum head, you know. Or a ball head. Let me look again. Look around Rasta. Mr. Man, let's give him a name. Let me go first. Rumhead. Jerry and never on the boss head. Right now your head supposed to swell. Anyways, this a man I know. Your wife say if you do this, I'm getting a divorce. But the boss don't seal everything already. Boss getting green card, citizenship. The boss lock and seal in the US. So you not care. Plus you know take her to the
Babe,
What?
if you close that door, I'm divorcing you.
Then you go and divorce me, but I go like you're the only woman there. What that about?
What?
So can I divorce that about? That about if you come out of the car. Divorce.
If you close that door, I'm divorcing you.
Then tell you what, divorce bumbo clock me, come here close it today. See you close it? What you gonna do?
I'm divorcing you. Why would you close the door? When I just said if you...
But remember, say when you go down there, if file the paper for divorce, harass me and take your juice. So no.
Boss, I take you to the cleaners, miss. To the cleaners. Everything. Half is mine. When me do a video about half is mine, a few nights ago. Yeah, man. Put your assets in your mother name. Anyways, I see you deal with them as a yard man of foreign. Then say they want a classic.
Nobody is supposed to take your picture unless you give them permanent. Oh, you take people picture, people can mash up your camera.
Oh my God, Natty say people not supposed to take your picture unless you give them whatever Natty say, that's what he said. But guess what I say, Natty? Me no need no permission. Me no need no boy fi tell me when fi take picture, how fi take picture, where to take picture. The phone na me hand on my own. I like the little song there. I don't know what's me a mad somebody already. Anyways, this I have to go mute the video, but foreigner they always a come down to Jamaica because Jamaica nice. And them advertise Jamaica. You know we love woman, we don't love man. When the foreigner they in touchdown, you seem like the first place they go a flea market go buy some Jamaica shirt. Which we no mind still watching them booty there. Eh, sweet Jamaica, we not left here. Oh man, love them, man. I don't know, I know. God damn, look at this, man. Nice Jamaica t-shirt. Nice lady from America. On the ass there. You know what the ass I make? Made in America. By American. Listen to me. She's naturally beautiful. But her body is not God-made. It is man-made. Anyways, this you know I want to look at an interview with one artist and I believe woman forget things, you know. Yeah man, woman forget things. And the boss agreed to, but the boss vulgar.
So you trick on girls?
Eh?
Huh?
What you say?
Wonder if you trick on girl, you done you do your little thing with a girl and beard things, you don't get a good
Yeah.
go on all this money and go and
Yeah,
get your
because
makeup.
listen, me now.
Me a
Listen, me
listen. Me
now.
a listen.
Me I tell you, encouragement sweet in labor. So, girl a bounce pan your hours. Me not say hours, cause long for them, then long for them not too cut it. Girl a bounce pan your too much minute, I sweat out and I sweat out the whole like food out her belly. You sweet in her labor now, she done. You say, Mama, watch her go and go do a year and thing. You don't feel like she go more enthusiastic for come you again.
Tell them on them that
You
no.
see me? So just that me mean when I say you get drape up fully up. Me I deal with her or more and deal with her, but I'm if you deal with her, so cause guess what? And they give you money to so when I drape you up and look you in your face, so me have you know nothing to say. Cause you don't know my thing come down already. You see me?
Yo, the man, the man sound, the man sex sound violent, you know? A female girl, them supposed to butter bruise. But that what he's describing is called BSDM or BSDM or some BDSM where they entire people and then lick you and all kind of sin thing and sex. You not freaky like that? Most I don't man freaky like that. You know. Anyways, they wanna. Oh boy, Jamaican money. At 2023, when you get the new money, yeah, me come 2023 as well. Hey, oh my God. Me give it all kind of money because the money confuse me. Me never realized and the color and... Anyways. Listen, you have to watch this I want until the end.
All right.
Are we in Jamaican money?
Yes.
Oh God. $1,000.
How long you say you haven't seen it?
Not years. I haven't seen these. 24 years now I haven't seen Jamaican money. Oh my God. These are crazy stuff. They look like they don't have any use. Why do they feel like this and look like this?
Auntie say they look like they don't have any use. Auntie, they look like what they look like. They don't have a value. You can't use them and clean your butt. Anyways, last video here. I want it again. This grandma more nasty.
He's so cool. I'm no suck the wood. When he discharge and haul out it, he pushing a you no more. Kiss me, Ras. Kiss me, Ras. Are you make me out of order?
You're fasting. I see you dry.
Yes, look at your him and then you have your here. And I now pay you and call the police for me.
I mean, know say grandma more nasty and them encourage the nastiness too. And it's 11:11 now, so make a wish. How may I catch 11:11 them? So a good luck, you know. If you didn't know, 11:11 and 1:11 with a AM or PM. I always stop and make a prayer and a wish. Anyways, we've come to the end of another video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a like. Share it. Please share the video, man. Yeah, man. By sharing the video, you're helping me reach different dimensions and different people. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell. Leave a comment in the comment section. Big up all of my people them who always in the comment section with me. Stay safe. God bless.